Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from the portion of your geography, that is maps and map reading. In this chapter, we are going to see what is a map, types of map, components of map. Now, let us begin the chapter. So, what we have earlier studied, that a globe is a representation. A globe represents a three-dimensional model of Earth. You will recall it is useful in understanding how the Earth rotates on its axis. So, what the globe is, we can call it as the three-dimensional picture of the Earth, in which we can see that how Earth rotates on its axis and how it is tilted on its axis. Further, it provides the most realistic view of the Earth. However, a globe is not always the best tool to study places. Why is this so? Because on a globe, the globe provides us the most realistic view of the Earth, because with the help of the globe we can find out the shape of the Earth, how it is tilted on the axis, but it is not the best tool to study each and everything, because it is not possible to show details of the smaller areas like villages. On the globe, we cannot show the details of the smaller area such as village. Further, detailed landform, climatic condition, transport system and various other aspects related to the land and the utilization cannot be provided on the globe. Next is to show the detail of all the continents and ocean. It would have to be very large, which would make it bulky and difficult to handle. So in order to show the details of each and every continent and ocean, we have to make a very big, very huge globe, which would be very difficult to handle. Now, all these needs, on the other hand, are fulfilled by globe. So in order to study the detailed landform, in order to show the smaller land areas, and in order to show all other details of the Earth, these details are fulfilled by the maps. So let us see what is the map. A map is a representation of Earth's surface on a part of it drawn on a flat surface to a scale. So a map can be said that it is a representation of the Earth's surface which is drawn to a scale. Means with the help of the scale, it has been marked that what is the area of the map, or what is the area, what is the length of the area that is represented on the map. Now, it is a useful tool to almost anyone and especially to geographers. A book of map is called atlas. Now let us outline some uses of map. So what the map does, it is a very useful tool for everyone, especially the geographers who study about the Earth and the places. The book of the map is known as atlas. Atlas can be said as the atlas has the map of the different places and of the Earth, and hence it is known as the book of map. Now let us see what are the uses of the maps. What the map gives us, they provide us detailed information about Earth, are useful for navigators and flight pilots as a guide to fix their location, are used by town planners to plan and show the layout of the town or cities and help us in understanding our location better. So these are the main outlines of the map, main important features of the map that gives us. It gives us the detailed information of the Earth. Further, it also helps the pilots to navigate the Earth and the planners to plan the layout of the cities, and also helps us to understand our location in a better way. Now, let us see how many types of maps are there. There are mainly three types of map. The first one is the political map, second one is the physical, and the third one is the thematic maps. Now let us see what are they. What the political map does, it shows us the boundaries of the continent, countries, states with their capital and the major towns and the cities. So these are the things that are outlined on the political map. Now physical map. These are the map which is also known as the relief map. What it does, it shows us the relief feature or the landform of the earth's surface, like the mountain areas, plains, deserts, coastlines and the water bodies like rivers and lakes. The third one is thematic map. In this type of map, normally it is especially designed to show us the theme or give us some specific information. Like in the thematic map, we can see the information like the density of the population, the rainfall of a particular area, and the mineral or the crop of an area, etc. Now let us see. We can see here the example of the political map in which we can see the boundary of the states and the country along with the other states, with the state's name and the rivers. Now this is, we can see as the physical, this is the political, this is the physical map in which we can see the mountain ranges, the plateau regions and the plain areas. And the next one is the thematic map. In this map we can see that this map is showing where the deposit of the alluvial soil is there, where the desert is there, where red soil is there, where mountain soil is there, and where the laterite soil is there. So now let us see what are the components of map. Now every map should have certain components. They help us in interpreting and understanding it properly. These essential components are discussed below. So each and every map are said to have some essential, some important components which help us to study about these maps. The first important component is title. So depending on the kind of information the map conveys and the part of the earth being represented, we give a title to a map. So depending on the information what the map provides us, we give the title to the map. The next one is scale. Now from the scale we will begin in the next class. Thank you.